Keep heading, everyone. Angle sum property of a triangle. 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 Sometimes in the exam directly they are asking, prove that the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Means they are asking angle sum property of triangle. Keep heading. Theorem 1. Theorem 1. Theorem 1. Prove that prove that prove that the sum of angles of a triangle prove that the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. I want to prove this theorem. Okay, next. Already students, you know, if any proof we are going to do, firstly I want to draw the figure, after that I want to write given, then to prove that if construction is there, I want to do construction, if construction is not there, they will start proof. Right. Yes. Students always keep in mind, in theorems they will never give figure. You want to imagine the figure, then you can draw the figure, you can prove the question. They will never give figure. Suppose I am drawing one triangle is PQR. Okay, this supporting line means this is construction. I have drawn one parallel line, that name I have given AB. An angle name I am mentioning here. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 4, angle 5. Now we are going to prove this theorem. Now down left side given what he has given. PQR is a triangle. A triangle PQR, a triangle PQR whose angles, a triangle PQR whose angles, angle 1, yeah, we can write angle P comma angle Q and angle R or given the names or given the names angle 1 comma angle 2 and angle 3 respectively. This they have given in the figure. Now we want to prove. To prove I want to prove angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Here I have done construction. Draw APB parallel to QR. Draw APB parallel to QR. What is APB? Parallel line. Now we are going to start proof. Proof is very easy. Nothing is the student. Yes. Proof. Proof. Concentrate here. How to do this proof? Yes. I know APB is a line. APB is a line. Since APB is a line, since APB is a line, if APB is a line, then I can say angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Why? Linear pair angle. If APB is a line, then I can say angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Why? Linear pair 180 degree is forming. Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus, sorry, angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Why? Linear pair. Linear pair. This is equation first. Now in this figure, students, you are observing, I can say angle 4 is equal to angle 2. Why? Angle 4, you students, you are observing, it is forming Z. Angle 4 is equal to angle 2. Z is forming. Angle 4 is equal to angle 2. It is forming Z. That is alternate interior angle. Angle 4 is equal to angle 4 is equal to angle 2. Next, I can say angle 5 is equal to angle 3. Again, it is forming interior alternate angle. Angle 5 is equal to angle 3. Angle 5 is equal to angle 3. Why? Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Yeah. Now, whatever angle 4 I got and angle 5, this value I want to substitute in the given equation first. Substituting substituting angle 4 and angle 5 in equation first. When we are substituting angle 4 in the place of angle 4, what I will substitute? Because angle 4 is equal to angle 2, means in the place of angle 4 I will write angle 2. Angle 1 will be as it is. In the place of angle 5, what I will write? Angle 3, because angle 5 is equal to angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. I can interchange angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. This is our proof. Proved. Very easy question. Firstly, I have taken linear pair angle. After that, alternate interior angle. Whatever we got alternate interior angle, we have substituted in the given equation first, and we have proved our angle sum property of triangle. Note down, everyone. Keep heading. Exterior angles of a triangle. 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 And this theorem is very important theorem. Exterior angles of a triangle. Firstly, I want to explain what is the meaning of exterior angle. What is the meaning of interior angle? Already I have explained in the transversal line concept. Again, I am recapping. Listen carefully, everyone. Don't write anything. Listen carefully. Suppose I have drawn one triangle here. Listen carefully. What is exterior property? Exterior angles of a triangle. This theorem is saying outside angle is equal to sum of any two inside angle. Outside angle is equal to sum of any two inside angle. Listen carefully, everyone. Exterior angle is equal to sum of any two interior angle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of any two interior angle. Whatever angle they have given outside, that angle will be equal to 40 plus x. Are you getting my point, students? This is called exterior angle property. Exterior angle of a triangle. What is that? Sritej, are you sleeping? Yes. Means exterior means outside, interior means inside. Now outside angle is equal to sum of inside angle. If I am asking find the value of x, we can apply exterior angle of a triangle property. X plus 40 is equal to x plus 40 degree is equal to 127 degree. This property is called exterior angles of a triangle. Outside angle is equal to sum of any two inside angle. Outside angle is equal to sum of any two inside angle. Now x is equal to, we can find out 127 degree minus 40 degree. Means I have taken this example. What is the actual meaning of exterior angle? Whatever outside angle they have given is equal to sum of any two inside angle. Yes. Note down. Theorem 2. Note down theorem 2. Students, you want to proof? Can I give question? After that, I can give proof. Okay, student. Firstly, I am giving so many questions based on this exterior angle property. After that, I will give proof of this question. Okay. Note down example first, but always keep in mind what is exterior angle of a triangle. Outside angle is equal to sum of any two inside angle. I will give proof later. Based on exterior angle of a triangle, I am going to give questions. Note down example one. Find the value of x. Find the value of x of given figure. Find the value of x of given figure. Figure is first. Note down. Find the value of x of given figure. Find the value of x of given figure. Yes. In this figure, which property I will apply? Sum of angles of a triangle, exterior angle property.
Exterior angle property.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Now I will write here x plus 60 degree is equal to 124 degree. Which property? Exterior angles of a triangle. Exterior angles of a triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle. Now x is equal to 124 minus 60. Plus quantity becomes minus. X is equal to 4, 12 minus 6, 6, 64 degree. Students, this property is very famous property. With the help of this property, we will solve so many questions. Note down. Example 2. Find the unknown value. Example 2. Find the unknown value example 2. Find the unknown value we can write find the unknown of given figure yeah find the unknown of given figure. What figure he has given? Draw this figure, everyone. Yeah, keep labeling student here. What is the meaning of labeling? Assigning the names. Line AB, line CD, line AB, line CD, X, Y, XY. This outside angle is 127 degree. And this is 60 degree. Yeah. Very interesting question and very easy question. With the help of property, we'll solve this question. I hope students, you got idea what is the value of X here. I know you got it. Yes. Very easy. Students, you are observing. I can say directly the value of X is equal to 60 degree. Why? Alternate interior angle. Z is forming. It is forming Z here. I can say X is equal to 60 degree. Why? Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Yes. Now X value completed. I want to find out Y value. How to find? By using exterior angles property. What is exterior angle of a triangle? Outside angle is equal to sum of any two inside angle. Then I can say here X plus Y is equal to 127 degree. Why? Exterior property. Exterior property. Outside angle is equal to sum of any two inside angle. Now the value of X already I got it 60 degree plus Y I want to find out is equal to 127 degree. Now Y is equal to 127 degree minus 60 degree. Y is equal to 7, 6. 67 degree is the answer. The value of X has come 60 degree. The value of Y has come 67 degree. Find the known value. Example 3. Find the known value of given figure. Find the known of given figure. Yeah. What is figure? Figure is very easy. Yeah. Line PQ, RAS, triangle name is ABC. Now I want to find out X, Y, and Z. Now concentrate here, students. How to solve this question? Concentrate here. Yeah. Students, you are observing this y is equal to 3x. Y interior alternate angle. Z is forming. Then I can write here solution. Y is equal to 3x. Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. If y is 3x, then with the help of angle sum property of triangle in ABC, I can find out the x value. Then I can say 2x plus 70 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property. Angle sum property of a triangle. Now 2x plus 70 degree. The value of y is 3x is equal to 180 degree. Now 2x and 3x both are like term. 5x plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now 5x is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. 5x is equal to 110. X is equal to 110 degree divided by 5. The value of x has come what? 5 to the 10, 20 degree. The value of x has come 20 degree. If the value of x has come 20 degree, then y is equal to 3x. Y is equal to 3x. 3 into 20 degree. 60 degree. Now, if x and y we know, easily we can find out the z by using linear pair angle. Y plus z is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair. Now y value, just now I got it 60 degree plus z is equal to 180 degree. then I can find out the value of Z is equal to 180 degree minus 180 degree minus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree.